Selling your beats online. Should you lower your prices? Let's get it. Yo, what's going on? This your boy Ceasar from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. So let's get right into it. When you're selling your beats online, should you lower your prices? Absolutely yes. I think when you're lowering your prices, it's a very strategic move. So when you lower your prices, maybe you should do like a buy one, get two free, or buy three, get four free, so you can still be hitting your sell mark of what you want to hit when it comes towards the end of the month or whatever you're trying to hit your goals for. It gives the buyer more of an opportunity to get more beats, maybe at a lower price. So lowering your price is a very strategic move when you give maybe a bulk deal or something of that nature. When I first started out, I remember when I used to lower my price, I never really played into buy one, get three free, or maybe buy four, get five free. So I had an artist that actually reached out to me and said, hey, I saw that you lowered your price. Is there any way I can buy two and get another one for free? And I thought to myself, I should do that. So I started to give out bulk deals. So I thought that was a very strategic move, that's something that I can use when I'm getting ready to lower my prices, especially if I feel like I'm not hitting my goals that I want to hit. So lowering your prices, don't think of it as you're belittling your brand or anything of that nature, because that's not the case. Lowering your prices still help you reach your sell goals at the end of the week or at the end of the month. Just make sure when you do lower your price, maybe give a bulk deal to help reach the goals that you want to reach when it comes to your sales. I've seen a ton of producers do it. I do it. That also creates a trust factor between you and your buyer. It opens up a huge opportunity to sell more beats in the future. You got to think about it like this. Once an artist buy a beat from you and they receive it successfully with no hiccups, and they were able to communicate with you through the process if they needed to, they trust you and they become your buyer from here on out. So if I go into a restaurant and I order some food and the food is amazing and the customer service was amazing, most likely I'm gonna go back to that restaurant and order again, even if they raise the price, because I understand the customer service, I understand how good the food is gonna be and things of that nature. So they have a customer coming back repeatedly to their store to order food. That right there is a very powerful way of getting repeated customers coming back every single time. So lowering your price and maybe giving like a buy one, get one free, or maybe buy two, get three free, will definitely help not only increase your sales, but it will also create great customer service to your buyer that's buying the beats from you and make them a long-time buyer. So lower your prices, give a good bulk deal, and you definitely will receive your return on investment skyrocket. All right? Thank you for coming to the channel. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell, you guys. I really want to grow this beat community and give you all of the tips that I know in selling beat. Thank you. You guys stay blessed, and I'll holler at you soon. Peace.